Howzit TOB family, welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. And before we continue, I want to thank everybody who has contributed to this channel by way of views, subscriptions, likes, shares, comments, everything. I want to say thank you. I want to encourage you to continue doing what you're doing because we're growing. And on the subject of growth, I want to say welcome to everybody who subscribed to this channel over the week. You're very welcome. We are happy to have you. Remember, in this channel, in this family, you have a voice. You can make requests if you want. If we can get it done, we will get it done. Okay? And also, we would also like to know what your opinions are on the videos we make. So don't forget, always leave a comment. Always leave a comment. Very important. So let us go and see what piece of tech we're going to be talking about today. Come on. This is the YORO V8 RGB headset. It boasts of 3D surround sound, crystal clear microphone quality, integrated RGB lights, and much more. Price of this one at the time of recording, 450 rands. For 450 rands, this is yours. In the world of budget gaming tech, this would sit firmly in the mid-range section. Not a popular brand by any stretch, but its performance and overall build and design cannot be denied. I know I said that this is basically a mid-range product, but the overall design and product quality is one of the sturdiest I've seen in the so-called budget headsets. The headset is made with metal rods wrapped with plastic. It's very comfortable yet sturdy and strong, and I dare say, I don't care the size of your head, this would fit with ease. The headband is held in place by some metal rods and a screw joint. I love this design. The ear cups are made with memory foam wrapped with synthetic leather. Not the softest I've felt, but it does what it's supposed to do, which is cover the ear completely, thereby reducing outside noise. Behind the ear cups are what I want to assume is the YORO logo. The head of a wolf with a scratch across its face. It's fierce. And yes, it does light up, RGB style. The RGB lights are powered by USB. The microphone is a little protruding plastic on the left. It is not sticking out a lot, so if you're one of those people who don't like microphone in their face, then criteria met. The volume control knob is also on the left side. The headset cord is braided and wrapped in clear plastic. Sometimes braided cord gets tangled and they break. With the plastic wrapping around the cable, that is completely avoided. At the end of the cable is the 3.5mm jacks, audio and voice. So if you've got just one audio port on your device, you will need a Y splitter cable, 2 females and a male. Okay, now let's talk about performance. Thanks to the frequency response of 20 to 20,000 Hz and a 40 mm driver speaker, the sound production of this headset is really good. I wouldn't go as far as saying it's the best I've heard, but it is good, really good. The mic is omnidirectional and sensitivity is decent. Vocals are good enough for gaming. Thank you for watching the video up till the end. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Those of you who made requests on some videos you'd like to see, I would say be patient if you're getting prepared. Just keep watching the channel. Until next time, take care.